Today we're going to talk about using a breakout box to do some additional troubleshooting on a definition AS. So here's the breakout box that we use during training or troubleshooting. So what this has basically is you have your DB9, DB15, DB25 connections. And the main purpose of this is to help you isolate and manipulate and measure different signals when you're doing troubleshooting. It really can help you isolate and narrow down some of your problems when you have some of those tougher troubleshooting situations. So in this case, we're having some problems with the front panel on the front of the gantry. So I'm going to go to the UMass assembly here, and the X403 is the front panel connector that communicates with the UMass. So in this case, what you do then is you hook this into your breakout box on the DB25 port, and then you take the other cable and you'd plug it into your UMass assembly. So what this does now, see, now you have each numbered port here represents the 25 pins of the connector. So now we can take a look at the schematic and the diagram for this pinout, and we can measure or jumper or short certain combinations to help us figure out what the actual problem is. To view more tech tips like this, please see our resources page.